am Dr. K. Karpalange, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see about the workers' participation in management, human resource management. Here, the workers' participation is very important for every employees. Here, the employees have a chances to participate while taking decision making in an organization. This will lead to improved productivity, increase their job satisfaction, morale, motivation, etc. Because employees get an opportunity to share their ideas, suggestions, opinions to the management. Now we are going to see about the features. First one, two-way communication. Here both employer and employees sit together to share their ideas. Which ideas is applicable for our organization that will be implemented in the future. Next one, joint decision making. Here the decision making will be taken both the employees and the employers have discussed with which one is best for our organization. Next one, improve relationship. Yes, here the employees relationship will be mutual and cordial relationship to the management, because the employees are very happy to share their ideas to management, because when they are taking decision making, employees is very much happy to share their opinions to the management. Next one, democratic process. Here the employees get a freedom from their management. The management is providing opportunities to the employees to freely take their decision. Here, when the decision is accepted by the management, it will be very happy by the employees. Next one, objectives of workers' participation in management. First one, improve industrial relation. Here, the both employer and employee relationship will be very smooth, because when we actively involve their work commitment and the productivity increases and everything will be coming under the industrial relations. Next one, improve productivity. Yes, here the employees get an opportunity to share their ideas. When at the time employees very happy and psychologically motivated by the person, at the time they have to concentrate to increase their productivity. Next one, enhance job satisfaction. Management providing support to the employees at the time, job satisfaction leads by the inner feelings, because every employee's psychological concept is to motivate themselves. At the time when the people satisfy both employee providing facilities like welfare, job security, everything coming under this one. Next one, encourage cooperation. Yes, here both employee and employee would be a cordial relationship. Next one, importance of workers' participation in management. First one, better wages and working condition. Here employees get better wages and equal wages, and also working condition, it should be a smooth one given by the management. Next one, feeling of recognition and respect. Here the feeling of recognition and respect given by the management to the employees. At that time employees very happy. The next one, opportunity to develop leadership skills. Here every employees get chances from the management. At the time everyone is motivated. Other employees also will be motivated. The next time while taking decision, me also given a chances to providing suggestions and ideas to the management. Next one, fourth one, levels of workers' participation. Here first one, information sharing. We have to share our information to the people. Second one, communicating participation, associative participation, administrative participation, decision making. These are the levels of participation while taking decision in an organization. The next one, benefits of workers' participation in management. First one, improve industrial relation. Yes, employees get an opportunity to provide suggestions, ideas to the management. At the time, management also concentrate on employees' well-being, and employees also concentrate on the management's well-being. So both the people work smoothly. Next one, better decision making. So both the person have to concentrate while taking decision. Which decision is applicable for us and which one is applicable for our organization. Next one, increase the productivity. Every employees concentrate their work performance, automatically improve productivity, because when the people satisfied by the organization, automatically the productivity also increase. Job satisfaction leads to higher productivity. Next one, reduce labor turnover. Yes, turnover will be reduced because the management providing full support important facilities to the employees. At that time, employees should not shift over to the other organization. So the employees are very happy to stay back the same organization in a long period. Next one, high morale. Yes, morale is nothing but a willingness to work. When the management providing support to the employees means every employees will be treated as a high morale and also willingness to work and committed their work and also increase their productivity. Next, innovation and creativity. So every employee will be thinking differently. So the ideas and perception, the person to person vary. So the ideas will be a brainstorming session will be given to the employees. At that time, ideas and suggestions will be exploited from the employees organization. Next one, challenges of workers' participation in management. First one, lack of trust. Sometimes management, the employees should not provide the correct information to the employees and also employees not accepting the employer side. So here there is a trust that is reduced. Next one, illiteracy and lack of awareness. That is, when the people is not aware and the people is not studying, then at that time there is a lag between the decision making. The next one, management resistance. Here sometimes management is not accepted by the employees' suggestions. Next, weak trade union. When the organization having a weaker trade union, your employee suggestions not accepted by the management. Next, political influence. Sometimes political influence also affected by the employee side. Next one, cultural barriers. Next one, poor implementation. Thank you.